The other issue that we're talking about right now is monetary policy, and perhaps no more importantly than the impact the Fed is going to have on retracing stimulus. How concerned are you by leadership change at the Federal Reserve?
Well, not overly concerned. I do think that at the end of the day, there is a sense of also last time we had a change, there was a high degree of continuity. I don't believe that if there is any change, we need to see if there is any change. But if there is a change, I'm not so sure that anybody has an interest to do something that is disruptive. So the market is already pricing the probability or the expectations that you may see half a point, even 3/4 of a point hike in the future. And I would say that probably even equity markets are implying this kind of potential hikes. I don't expect the Fed to, to move aggressively. They have a nice path of being able to exit by just, by the fact that a lot of the bonds they hold is going to expire, and they're going to be able to contract the balance sheet smoothly. One
of the wild cards here, though, is a US president that isn't shy about sharing his views on monetary policy as well, if that occurs to him. Are you worried about the independence of the Fed going forward?
Well, I think that, usually when you look at this kind of political intervention, not only in this country, but generally in the world, they may attract the contrary reaction of people trying to show that they are independent, and therefore I don't think it's a smart move for politicians to interfere in central banking monetary policy.
And when you think about that policy specifically, is there anything that a change excites you? The prospect of a change excites you? Like, how would it benefit your business?
No, I don't think that. We are not overly focused on those kind of leadership changes. I think that the angle that really is matter for us is not necessarily monetary policy per se. Is more if there is any implication to the oversight of the prudential part of what the Fed or any central banks is doing to our industry. Right. And I think that the path there seems to be taken, and therefore I don't really expect any major changes.